Tree pose is a basic asymmetrical standing balance pose. With regular practice, it helps to build your concentration. Start in sitting. Shift your body weight to the left foot. Make sure your left foot is pressing evenly through the 4 pillars, especially keeping your inner pillars mount firmly on the ground. Lift your right foot up and place your sole against the inner left thigh. Try to bring your right heel to your root of your left leg, toe pointing towards the floor. Maintain the stability in the standing leg. Activate your abdominal muscles. Keep your hips facing forward with a neutral pelvis and spine. Lengthen your tailbones towards the floor. Close your hands in front of your heart and find a focal point and gaze softly. Maintain a breathing slowly, deeply and steadily for 30 seconds to as long as you're comfortable. To come out, exhale, release your legs and arms back to sitting, and repeat the same length of time with the other leg. To go deeper in tree pose, inhale, raise your arms over your head, open your hands and look up. Close your eyes, imagine yourself as a tree. Swing your arms slowly as the wind blows.